Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste. So our today's topic is voltage multiplier circuit. Basically, voltage multiplier are the AC to DC power conversion devices. These generate the high voltage DC from low voltage AC source. Different techniques are used to generate the high voltage DC. For example, rectifier circuits are used, also voltage multiplier circuit, and then Van de Graaff generator is also technique to generate the high voltage DC from AC. Out of them, in the previous class or the previous lecture, we have done the rectifier circuit. Today's our topic is voltage multiplier circuit. So the voltage multiplier circuit are basically made up of multiple stage of the basic circuit or the schematic, that is voltage doubler circuit. And now we are coming towards the application of the voltage multipliers. So there are different application. Out of them, these are used in the television CRTs, also for the laser system supply system, X-ray system, also used in traveling wave tubes, photomultiplier tubes, also in ion pumps, electrostatic system, copy machines, and also used in all these applications wherever there is a need of the HVDC. After that, we are coming towards the circuit diagram of voltage multiplier. So voltage multiplier is comprised of the capacitor and the diode. That is basic schematic for the voltage doubler, and then multiple voltage doubler stages are being arranged to make the voltage multiplier circuit. As we require the output voltage, according to that we add the voltage doubler circuits stage in series to make them suitable or the our required output. So in the operation of voltage multiplier circuit, now we are considering the first half cycle, that is positive half cycle. During the positive half cycle, diode D1 is forward bias. So as the diode D1 is forward bias, it means it is in conduction condition, then capacitor C1 will charged, and the voltage across the capacitor C1 will be the same as that of supply voltage. It means VM means maximum voltage, that's of the supply, that will be same across the capacitor C1, while the diode D2 will be in reverse bias condition. During the second half cycle, that is negative half cycle, diode D1 will be in the reverse bias condition, so it will not conduct, while the diode D2 will be in the forward bias condition. So the capacitor C2 will be charged, and the voltage across the capacitor C2 will be sum of both voltage, that are voltage across the capacitor 1 plus source voltage, means 2 times VM or the 2 times supply voltage, because capacitor C1 and the supply voltage both are in series, hence their sum will be 2 times VM. That's why voltage across the capacitor C2 will be 2 times supply voltage. After that, we are again considering the third half cycle, that's positive half cycle. So for the third half cycle, diode D3 will be in forward bias condition, so the capacitor C3 will be charged, and the voltage across that capacitor C3 will be 2 times supply voltage, that is voltage of same as that of the capacitor C2. Same for the fourth half cycle, that's positive half cycle. During this positive half cycle, capacitor C4 will be charged because diode D4 is in the forward bias condition and D1 and D3 are in reverse bias condition. So the voltage across the capacitor C4 will be same as that of capacitor C3, that is 2 times of the Vm, that is Vm is supply voltage. It means that the voltage across the capacitor C4 will be the 2 times of the supply voltage. Suppose now we are considering this figure. As in this figure, if we consider the voltage across the capacitor 1 and capacitor 3, then it will be the sum of both, that is Vm plus 2Vm, that is 3Vm. It means we can say that is up to that this circuit is same as that of voltage tripler circuit. Suppose now we consider the voltage across capacitor 2 and capacitor 4, then the sum of both voltage of the Vc2 and Vc4, that is 2Vm plus 2Vm is equal to 4Vm. It means it is 4 times supply voltage. In the same way, if we need to generate 6 times, then we should need to add or compose 3 stage of the voltage doubler circuit in series. Or if we want to add the voltage, or if we want to generate the voltage up to 8 times of the supply voltage, then we have to add the voltage doubler circuit 4 times, 4 voltage doubler circuit in series. It means suppose we want to increase or step generate high voltage up to n times, then we have to add n times n stage of the voltage doubler circuit in series to generate high voltage DC. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, also subscribe this channel.